Network infrastructure management, a blueprint for success. As businesses change and grow, so must the network infrastructure that supports them. Therefore, a well-run network is essential to keep your business running smoothly. Effective infrastructure management is the backbone of any organization. It helps ensure that your systems are running optimally and reduces the potential for downtime. Here are 4 essential elements of a successful network infrastructure management plan. Clearly defined goals. It is crucial to clearly understand what your organization hopes to achieve with its network. Once you understand your objectives, you may create a strategy for attaining them. Detailed documentation. To manage your network effectively, you need comprehensive documentation of the network. It should include information on the network hardware, software, and configurations. Proactive maintenance. Performing regular maintenance on your network is crucial for keeping it running smoothly. By proactively addressing potential issues, you can avoid problems before they occur. Monitoring and reporting. Monitoring your network is essential for detecting and troubleshooting problems. Regular reporting can help you identify trends and potential areas for improvement. Well-managed network infrastructure is essential for the success of any organization. By following these essential tips, you can ensure that your network is up to the task. Contact us today if you need assistance developing a plan for your organization. At the House of IT, we understand the importance of a well-managed network infrastructure. We can provide you with the resources and expertise you need to ensure the success of your organization. Our team of dedicated IT professionals is here to help you every step of the way. So don't wait until it's too late. Contact us today to get started. Visit our website, houseofit.ph.